morning. You're listening to Radio NEWYDD.
Hi there, we are Year 5 and 6 pupils at our school NEWYDD, and in our programme today we want to discuss a very important topic, keeping safe online.
First of all, here is a big question for you. What is the World Wide Web?
In simple terms, the web, or internet if you like, is a network of computers that are all connected together so people can communicate.
We can use the web through a computer, tablet, mobile phone, and many other devices.
The web is now an important part of almost everyone's life.
We can shop online, play games with friends who are far away, and send messages and share information.
The internet is fantastic, but we have to be careful when using it. You're listening to Radio NEWYDD. There are lots of important things to remember when using the web.
Everything you put on the web can stay there forever, so you must be very careful when putting pictures and information on the web.
Ensure that you do not give out personal information to strangers when using the web.
Information includes your full name, postcode, telephone number, address, information about your passwords, or name of your school.
Use another name when online, make up a name.
Don't chat with people you don't know online, and certainly don't arrange to meet people you've met online.
There is no guarantee of who is who online. Anyone can pretend to be someone else online.
Remember to delete messages that say you have won something, such as a phone or a holiday. After all, how can you win if you haven't even entered a competition?
It is important to behave responsibly online. It's not a good idea to say nasty things about people online.
You're listening to Radio NEWYDD.
It's not a good idea to post pictures of other people doing things that might embarrass them.
Online bullying is called cyberbullying and it is a serious issue.
If you are worried about anything or not sure, remember to log out and tell your parents or a responsible adult.
The web is a very useful and interesting place, but make sure you do not spend too much time online.
Remember, there are other interesting things to do. Spending too much time online can be harmful and can turn into an obsession.
More and more children and almost every person now has a mobile phone. Therefore, we need to be careful that we don't become too dependent on these devices.
Enjoy and remember to be safe when using the web. Thanks for listening to Radio NEWYDD.
Stay safe online!